everyone, welcome back to DIY Beauty on Purpose. My name is Leonette, and today I am bringing you 4 super beautiful Valentine's Day decor, but all in the very neutral tone that I just love. We are starting with this piece of paneling that is just a piece of a leftover big panel that I have used over and over again. This is my final little piece, and it had already this size. I'm just going to give all the edges 2 coats of rust-oleum chalk paint in the linen white and let it dry. I then going to take this scrap piece of drop cloth, and I am going to fold it in half and then just measure how big I want to freehand a heart. Now, I first measured the piece of paneling to make sure that the heart's going to be the size that I need it to be. Once I had 2 dots and where I wanted the heart to start and end, I am now going to freehand a heart and then cut it.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy.
Alright guys, so now I'm going to take 2 dusting mops from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to cut another heart using both of these and using the original heart to use as a guide. I want the first thing I want the dusting mop heart to be the same size, but then I'm going to cut it 1 inch shorter or smaller than the original heart. But here, as you can see, I'm just cutting using the original heart. And then I am going to glue the 2 pieces together with hot glue.
Or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the 2 of us. Just the 2 of us. But I know
now that both pieces of the dusting mops are joined together, I am going to now cut, like I said, about 1 inch into the edge. So just 1 inch smaller heart. That way, when I place it on top of the drop cloth heart, as you can see, it is just shorter and you can still see the drop cloth. So here I'm just placing it on top, and I'm still trimming to make sure that I have the size and that it's nicely groomed. I then sanded down the board. As you can see, I wasn't looking for perfection. I am looking to just have a farmhouse look. I am now going to hot glue the drop cloth heart to the center of the board, and then hot glue the dusting mop or the white heart and now on top of the drop cloth heart.
Try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else, and I will have to let her go. She will never know.
And we are just about done with this one. I contemplating adding a little bit more of something, but I wasn't quite sure. And I often, when I question myself, I always opt to just keep it in the simple. So there it is. Beautiful Valentine's Day decor, very neutral, and it would go in any home beautifully.
Like she stole my heart without knowing she did.
Guys, so I'm excited to let you know that today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform with over 19,000 courses in so many different topics like photography and drawing and writing and music. Oh my gosh, you name it, they have it all. Courses are taught by individuals who are content creators like myself. I just recently took a course by Emily Henderson about styling your space, and I absolutely loved it. And it was try it out. You're going to love it. So make sure to check out that link after you're done watching this video. All right, guys, so for this next DIY, I am going to take these letters and heart from Target Dollar Spot. They were all $1, and I want to create the word love. Now, I didn't find a V, so I'm going to use this A and turn it into a V. But as you can tell, I'm struggling here. I am using this dowel cutter, which is a phenomenal tool, and I do have it in my Amazon store, which is linked down below. But as you can tell, I snapped one of the ends, one of the little legs there. But it is what it is. This is what you get, right, when you're DIYing, and I'm fine with that. So I'm just going to start making, again, some cuts and turning this into a V, and I'm going to end up hot gluing that little piece that I broke.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand.
I also added a piece of a crafting stick to the back just to give it a little bit more stability. Once I had that done, I am now going to give everything 2 coats of rust-oleum chalk paint in the linen white. And on the heart, I'm just going to do the edges.
Hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright.
These little bundles of fabric squares I get at Walmart, they're like, I think like 3 something a bundle, and you can get them. They have beautiful designs and all kinds of colors. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to hot glue it, and I'm going to resurface the heart with it.
Right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll.
I'm going to cut the edges, and then I'm going to use an X-Acto knife to really make sure that it is nicely trimmed and groomed on the edges.
If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side.
I am going to distress the edges and a little bit of the letters just to give it a little bit more roughed up look and a little bit more of a farmhouse look. I'm also going to drill holes on the bottom of the letters because I am going to hang these vertically, and I am going to make the holes in spots where it's going to then hang almost tilted. I want these letters to look like they're all kind of hanging in a tilted angle. So I'm just going to use this jute twine that I do get from Walmart, because you get a lot more bang for your buck. But if what you have is from Dollar Tree, you can certainly use that as well. I am going to now attach each piece together, leaving about 2 inches of jute twine in between.
I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer.
And now I'm just going to add a couple of leaves here. I got these leaves at the Dollar General. They're part of a larger pick, but I just thought I needed a little bit of color, a little bit of greenery. And I just love, no pun intended, the way this love sign looks on the wall. I like the way each letter hangs just a little bit tilted. It just has a fresh farmhouse look. And then again with that romantic Valentine's Day flair.
Here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side.
So if you're not aware yet, I am going to be giving a monthly giveaway for this year. And for January is this Sure Bonder cordless hot glue gun. You probably have seen me already use it. It is awesome. And all you have to do is watch and comment to enter. So just tell me anything in the comments. Tell me which one of these DIYs is your favorite. Tell me if you like neutral or bright pink and reds for Valentine's Day. Whatever you want, let me know in the comments and you'll be entered to win this hot glue gun. All right, friends, moving along. This one is super easy. I am going to make a bead garland. You've seen them, right? I don't have to explain much. This jute twine is from the Dollar Tree. The beads I get on Amazon. Again, these are all on my Amazon store, which I have linked down in the description box. I'm going to just bead and thread as many beads as I need for the jug that I'm using as a flower arrangement. I am now going to take this wood slice from Artisa and I am going to attach it to the bottom and tie it together.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
I'm going to take a pencil and just freehand a heart with an arrow across it. And so this next part, I am using a tool that I just recently got. I have never used it. I promise you, before this moment, I have never used this tool. So live here, I am going to show you. And it did not come out perfect. I have to practice a lot more. It's a wonderful tool. It's a wood burning tool. You can write with it. You can design all kinds of stuff. But I was struggling a little bit. I guess I just need to practice. I just need to learn how to kind of slide it on the wood. But I'm just using the traced heart and I'm just going to burn all around it and making sure that, of course, none of the pencil shows through. But more importantly, that the heart is as neat as I want it to be. But in the end, I think I should have done a better job. Like I said, I just need to practice more. But wanted to show you that you can use tools like this, very inexpensive. I did get it on Amazon as well. I just placed it on this oversized jug and then added some florals from Dollar General. And look how beautiful this turned out. Again, just so simple, so farmhouse-ish, but again, just has that romantic little flair for Valentine's Day. And yeah, it's not perfect, but by all means, I just think it turned out super cute. Alright friends, for this next DIY, I'm going to use this heart wreath from Target Dollar Spot. It was $5 and I am going to remove everything from it, including all the florals.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.
I am going to replace the florals with these pink peonies that I get on Amazon. Once again, I have them on my Amazon store linked down below. And I'm just going to use one of them. I think they're just so beautiful. They're pink. Look at that. Me using color. But I just thought they look super cute with the contrast of the wreath, which is darker. And I'm just going to use a couple more of those leaves that I got from the Dollar General and hot glue them. I did decide to remove the brighter green. Although it looked nice, I just wanted to keep it a little bit more toned down. So I just removed the brighter green leaves that came with the flower. And I'm going to add one more of those leaves from the Dollar General on top of the flower, and that way it'll just finish it off and keep it on the simple side but yet very romantic. And that's it for this one, guys. Very simple DIY, but I wanted to show you how you can buy something and yet still make it yours with your style. So guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to create your own Valentine's Day decor, whether you like the bright reds and pinks or whether you like a more toned down neutral colors. I hope it inspires you. I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check out their link down in the description box. Guys, I have a link here with tons more of inspiration for you. Check it out. I hope you have a blessed day. I'll see you later. Bye.